Thei Thei, quite people but I love it. I even tap my heart with your name. Fuck the size, I'll make you my man.
It goes on and on. Don't mind me if I'm coming too strong. Keep those heat on you the type of bet that I can't go wrong.
Once I reach between those legs, girl, you be getting something that's beyond
Wait. Yo, hello everyone. What's up everyone? Meghalaya, Shillong, Northeast. Your African boys, we are back again with new faces, guys. So today I'm going to introduce Khasi song by the title Thei Thei. To them, they don't know. This is gonna be their first time to react, to do their reaction for the Khasi song. We don't know the Khasi language, so we will follow the subtitle, guys. We don't know also what does it mean by Thei Thei. Tell us what does it mean Thei Thei in comment. Because what I know, Konte is like lady. And this one is Thei Thei. There are so many Khasi words. I learned it from previous reaction, like Konte means lady. With Khasi language. Konte is a lady. Doi Doi, there is song, famous song in Meghalaya, is called Doi Doi. What do you mean? Doi Doi. Doi Doi means if your heart is beating. Doi Doi. So something which is shaking, Margil is called Doi Doi. So Gelip, the heart is called Mensim. Mensim. My heart is Mensim Jonga. Mensim Jonga. It's my heart. Yeah. But heart, Gelip Bara was Mensim. Mensim Jonga, my heart. So we are back again to our Mensim Jonga Khasi people. So we have here the musician Banjop Eddie Lyngdoh and B4NDIT Thei Thei official music video. So kindly tell us the meaning of Thei Thei, and don't forget, subscribe guys, join the African family, like the video, watch our other reaction videos guys. Let's go. Did you say their name? No. They forgot their name. They are new to the channel. Welcome.
What's up guys? I'm I'm from Sudan.
Yeah, tell us.
What's up guys? My name is Muhammadin Abdullah from Sudan. You know Sudan? Yes, support us.
Yeah. So this is Mayas from Sudan, and this is Muhammadin, guys. And you already know gabsgabitv here, guys. So from South Sudan. So let's check it.
Let's go.
Let's do it, huh? Let's dance. We are going to dance to Lyngdoh.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Thei Thei. This is their song.
I'm so excited.
Banjop.
They came with a car, okay? I think they are using drones. Yeah.
Grinding, I just like the way you're
Guys, actually I know the lyrics.
Oh girl, I see you wildin'. We should leave your girl, don't tell your friends.
Don't tell your friends.
You can bring the rest back home. Ain't nobody bad as you with the attitude, the ass of you. Let me grab it, boo. Attracted like
Hey, this guy is the body.
Quite people thought, but I love it. I'll even tap my heart with your name. Fuck this size, I'll make you my man.
Wait, this guy, you know what he's saying? He's saying Thei Thei. I don't know, Thei Thei is a name or maybe a lady.
Yeah, maybe
that I can drive you crazy. Let me come close to you. Let me grab the boom. And some that you are there. Let's check more, okay?
Thei Thei, quite people thought, but I love it. I'll even tap my heart with your name. Fuck the size, I'll make you my man.
Sell down. Or we can go slow if you wanna. Chill back and I'm gonna ride you slow to a coma. Shawty, how to be harder than going in the summer. Vacate in the sun, burning like shots of vodka. I can be like B, but never saying never. When I'm coming by your house, I'd even sit down with your papa. You ain't the type that's emotional. If you're a movie, then you're home alone. alone. I know it takes time for you to open up, but you can trust me, God, I'm an open book. Don't be cool with it if you need to chill with it. I won't get offended if you need some more time with it. Lay low for a while like Lambos do. Rev slow for a while, then we zoom. Oh, it goes on and on. Don't mind me if I'm coming in strong. Keep those heat on to you the type of bet that I can't go wrong.
Once I reach between those legs, girl, you be getting something that's beyond
Those guys, I'm going to tell them in Arabic, guys. I'm going to tell them in Arabic. So, قال لبده لو جاب الكراو وبيز بحاجة أكثر من happiness أكثر من فرحاته يعني لو خدت بالكراو أكثر من فرح. Oh my God, this guy nuts. The song is nice, but it has kind of a dirty word, man. That the God will feel something more than happiness. What is that, man? What will he feel?
I became Barcelona, tell you like you go home. Chess game looking like a queen on a pawn. You take no L's like a knight, you boss. Fire body woman, I'm a moth, leave me on. Fire body woman, other woman turn me off. Feel the tension dripping sweat. Knocking thin ration to the side. No one can test them, girl, you're the best, no DoiDoiSong.
Thei Thei, Thei Thei, quite Lunta, but a lot way. I'll even tap my heart with your name. Fuck the size, I'll make you my man. Thei Thei, Thei Thei, quite Lunta, but a lot way. I'll even tap my heart with your name. Fuck the size, I'll make you my man.
Wait. Hey. Wow, it's nice. Quality. Stop. This is like, okay, I'm just going to speak about the video, how the video is quality, guys. The video, the way they record it, the quality is good. The videos even look professional, okay? Forget of the lyrics. I'm not going to judge them. Maybe they are known for this, how they sing. Because for me, I like the song. I love the song, man. There is nothing bad in the song. But this song is not for kids. Just know if you're a child, it's not for kids. It's not suggested for the kids because it has something that you know you won't like it if you're a kid, guys.
This video is so special.
Yeah, it's so special for people like us, like for big people only, for gentlemen. Okay, so these guys, Lyngdoh, Eddie Lyngdoh, guys. The guy's sound is so good. The way his voice, his voice is so good. And what do you think? What do you think about it? What do you love? Anything in the video?
Quality.
That is so nice.
Views.
I like some scenery. It's so romance.
Yeah.
So romance.
Because of the meaning.
The meaning.
They're showing some romantic scenes, something bigger than you think, man. Yeah, you know it already, right? We don't want to go deep.
Yes, I want to go to Meghalaya.
You want to go to Meghalaya now. We love the song. Thei Thei. It's nice, guys. It's quality. And I just want to know the other guy also. Like, I don't know, his name is Banjop or B4, because there is 3 people here. I know Eddie Lyngdoh. Eddie Lyngdoh is the one who's saying Thei Thei, Thei Thei, right?
Thei Thei.
That boy. He sounds so good. And there is one guy, it's so calm, like the way he's rapping is so calm. And I love his lyric, man. They have the confidence. They did it, guys. Love from Africa. Love you all. Don't forget, subscribe, guys. Show some love. See you next time.